morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are going to have a quick guide, installation quick guide for the QWatch Pro app available in iOS and Android. But this time we are going to demonstrate it, okay, in the iOS platform or our iPhone. So we have here the sample device, the Z Blaze Meteor. So it is using the QWatch Pro app, and we have here the user manual. Okay, so the app, okay, or the QR code for the app is available here in the user manual, as you can see here with the logo. Okay, if you happen to lost your user manual, you can check it on the smartwatch. Okay, just go to the settings, and usually it is available here, the QR code. Okay, as you can see here, we have the QR code. Just scan it with your QR code scanner. But if you have an idea of the name of the app, just go to the App Store and search for the QWatch Pro. Okay, so we have there the QWatch. You just add QWatch Pro, and we have the support app here. And as we noticed earlier, we have the logo, the same logo here. Okay, QWatch Pro. Okay, tap on it to install. Okay, so we are now downloading the support app. Again, this is the quick guide for the QWatch Pro. Installation of the app and settings, okay, of the notification permissions or message and call notifications. So let's check and wait for the installation of the support app. Okay, so this is a very light app. As you can see here, we all have already downloaded and installed. Then open the app. Okay, so let's check first for the Bluetooth here. Let's remove it. Okay, let's save the installation from scratch. Okay, we deactivated the Bluetooth here, so let's start. Okay, we'll not sign in. Okay, if you want to sign in, you can also do that, but this time we're not going to sign in, but we are just going to directly proceed to the support app. So here it is asking for permissions. Allow QWatch Pro to access your location only while using the app. Usually my option here is only while using the app. Okay, so it is asking for permissions here for the energy, heart rate, sleep analysis, steps, and walking distance. Then tap on allow. Okay, so we have here the UI. Okay, we have the data for the steps or activity tracking here for the heart rate and the sleep. On the bottom part, we have the exercise for the sports. We also have for the device here. This is where we are going to add the smartwatch, and we have the profile here. Okay, this is also where you can integrate your data to the Apple Health. Okay, going to the device here, tap on the device. As you notice here, we haven't connected our smartwatch yet. So to be able to use these functionalities and of course add additional functions to your smartwatch, you need to add your smartwatch to the support app. Okay, to be able to add it, just tap on add. So here it is asking for, okay, Bluetooth permission or asking you to turn on the Bluetooth. Just okay. So let's go to our Bluetooth settings, turn it on, and again tap on add. Okay, it will search for the smartwatch, and as you can see here, we already have the Meteor 7 CBE. But if your smartwatch did not appear here, but instead there's an address like here, a MAC address, just go to your settings, go to the about section or to the system here, and let's see if it's the one. Okay, as you can see here, the MAC address is D245D7C7CBE. Okay, so tap on it. It is now connecting. And now, as you can see here, Bluetooth pairing request. Would like to pair you with your iPhone. Just tap on pair. Okay, are we connected now? So let's see. Go to the device. And as you can see here, we are connected. Or we are bind or paired with the support app. Okay, so we have here the battery, 80%. Usually to check whether we are connected or not, I usually tap on find device to see. Okay, so we are connected. Okay, as you can see, very easy to connect or install the support app for the smartwatch. So let's go to your notifications. Okay, so usually it is not allow notifications, okay, for first timers, but if you want to connect or receive notifications, just allow it. Okay, you just select the applications that you need here. Okay, and tap on save. Okay, so we have successfully connected our smartwatch to the support app. Okay, let's check on the die market here. As you can see, we have a lot of watch faces here. Let's try and test. Download one. Okay, still loading here. Dial market. Okay, dials, as you can see here, dials are full. Let's go first to the watch faces here. Let's remove some. Okay, let's try. Let's install a watch face. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded a watch face for our device. Okay, very easy installation, very easy connectivity or pairing with our smartwatch to the QWatch Pro app. Again, this demo is also applicable to other smartwatches that is using the QWatch Pro. If you have any questions, okay, queries, okay, recommendations with our video here, or just a question on how to pair the QWatch Pro app to your device, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.